Hi and welcome to our channel. We are Sentinel Tech. Today we are discussing the exciting field of agriculture technology and how it's revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Agriculture technology or AG Tech refers to the use of technology to improve various aspects of agriculture from crop production to food safety, with the global population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, the need for sustainable and efficient food production has never been greater. That's where AG Tech comes in. Examples of agriculture technology. Let's take a look at some of the solutions being used in the world of AG Tech. For example, drones are being used for crop mapping and monitoring, helping farmers make more informed decisions about their crops. Precision agriculture tools are being used to analyze soil and plant health, allowing farmers to optimize their growing conditions. Livestock tracking and monitoring systems are helping farmers keep tabs on their animals, improving their overall health and well being. And climate controlled greenhouses and hydroponic systems are allowing farmers to grow crops in controlled environments, reducing the impact of weather and environmental factors on their crops. Benefits of agriculture technology. So, why is agriculture technology important? The benefits are many. By using technology, farmers can increase yields, reduce waste, and improve the quality of their crops. They can also reduce the impact of farming on the environment by using less water, reducing soil degradation, and reducing the use of harmful chemicals. With the AG Tech, farmers can produce more food with less waste and fewer resources, making food production more sustainable for future generations. In conclusion, agriculture technology is revolutionizing the way we grow our food and has the potential to make food production more sustainable and efficient. We hope this has been a useful overview of AG Tech, and we had loved to hear your thoughts and opinions on this exciting field of the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the latest technology and trends. Until time, bye bye.